everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
on the go.
Take 5.
Five. No joke. 5 takes. What are we doing, Jen?
All right, Joe, we're doing an unboxing today of one of your favorite things in the whole world.
Good thing I'm thirsty. That's a little hint.
We're doing
tease.
A Joffrey's coffee unboxing.
All right.
And for those of you who love Joffrey's coffee and know that it's in Disney World and Disneyland, you can order it from home and have it delivered.
Yep.
So you could have Joffrey's every day, not just when you're on your Disney World vacation.
Yep. Yeah, it's very cool. The Joffrey's actual shop and where they make the coffee
in Tampa
is in Tampa. What do they call a place that makes coffee?
Manufacturer.
I guess. Like, it's not a distillery because it's not whiskey. But anyway, so yeah, they have a shop in downtown Tampa, and we've been there. I'll link.
A couple times now.
Yes. So I actually have a video on it. I'll link that in the description below. But yeah, so they provide coffee for Walt Disney World and Disneyland. And it's very, very good coffee. And you had a hankering for some. We purchased some when we were down there in Florida earlier this year.
We did.
But now you ordered it, and they delivered it straight to us.
And for those of you who may not have perused their website, they have like specialty coffees. They have sales. They feature coffees from the different resorts, from the parks, characters. They run the gamut, and the coffee is really delicious. It's not acidic, in my opinion. Like, Starbucks is pretty acidic. I don't understand the big crave for Starbucks. Joffrey's is a much superior product.
I think so. Yeah.
Love it. Okay, anyway.
Well, so we got, how many bags?
Got 4.
4, and they're all specialty items.
Yes.
Special ones that have just recently come out.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one is a specialty coffee for the month. It is the Haunted Mansion Foolish Mocha Brew. It's a chocolate flavored coffee. So here is the front of it.
Actually kind of go right there, maybe, hopefully. I'll take pictures, and I'll include pictures of each one of these.
Look how cute the bag is.
I'm using the old camera, so it doesn't focus as well. But, so this one is flavored as well. We don't normally get flavored coffee, but this one,
oh, you can smell the chocolate. Sniff it.
Naturally and artificially flavored ground coffee. Yeah, you can smell the chocolate.
It smells really good.
Yeah. I love the bag too.
I love the bag.
I really do love the bag.
Whoever does their design, kudos.
Yeah, they've done a really good job. I mean, Disney put Joffrey's on the map, obviously, but
they did. Actually, George from Wine Bar George put Joffrey's coffee on the map.
Pretty much, he was instrumental in getting Joffrey's there.
He served it at the Contemporary when he worked there, when he was the sommelier.
Yeah.
Sommelier at the Contemporary Resort.
Yeah.
And he started serving Joffrey's coffee, and then everyone wanted to get in on that game.
At, what's the restaurant? You said Contemporary, but what's the restaurant out there?
At the California Grill?
California Grill.
I'm
not sure if you said California Grill.
That's just a little history for you.
Yeah. So he was there, and so it was many years ago, but he was, played a part in getting Joffrey's there at Disney.
Okay, the second bag is the Disneyland 70th Anniversary Blend, and this is something I wanted to try when we were there in September for our trip. We're just starting to post those videos. We have posted the relevant time-sensitive Halloween stuff already.
Oogie Boogie.
We're posting San Diego stuff, and we will be getting to the Disneyland stuff shortly. But I wanted to try this, and we never got to, but it's a chocolate. It has chocolate notes with a subtle sweet finish. And again, look at how cute the bag is.
So I think this is a regular coffee. This one is not flavored, but it has obviously hints of whatever the beans will taste like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gosh, that smells so good. And you can smell the scent difference between this and the Haunted Mansion.
Oh, yeah. But this does smell kind of chocolatey as well. There's that bag there. Okay, next.
All right, the third one is the Donald Duck Anniversary, the 90th Anniversary Blend. And this has, it's coffee cake and cinnamon flavored. But again, look at how cute this bag is and how they just do Donald so cute. Oh, I love that duck.
Yeah, I don't know.
I want to sniff that one too.
Oh, sorry. I was going to try to get it up there to the camera.
Can't really smell that one. Can't smell that at all, so that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
That's just...
probably a little more subtle,
Yeah.
perhaps. But let's see if we can get that to focus a little better. Yeah, that's focusing a little better. Donald, settle down there.
I don't know. He's so
Everyone
cute.
loves Donald. I mean, come on.
How can you not? If you don't love Donald, you're a sadist.
Really?
Okay, the last one
another
is
one.
our Disney Maleficent
Oh,
one.
yeah.
It's the Dragon
Dragon
Roast Brew. I'm not even going to try to read that because it's purple on black.
Yeah.
But again, look at this packaging. So you've got Maleficent.
Where's our Maleficent? She was in here a minute ago.
She left.
Yeah, very, very cool.
Yeah, I can't smell this one either.
Let's see if I can read it. I'm not sure.
Here, let me get out my
Roast brew,
flashlight.
naturally and artificially flavored ground coffee. This one has spellbinding brew with notes of pecan, caramel, and vanilla.
Ooh.
So this
That
one will be
sounds
interesting.
delicious. Oh, I can smell it now. I smelled the caramel. So
Magnificent.
each bag was about $16 a piece. I believe shipping was free. So I think the 4 bags of coffee was around 60 some odd dollars.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, nowadays everything is so expensive.
Well,
but if
this
I'm going
is-
to drink coffee, I want good coffee. And
It's a-
this is good coffee.
It's an 11-ounce bag, and I think the equivalent at the store for something like Caribou is about $9 or $10. So just as a comparative, or for a comparison. Comparatively speaking, yes, it is more expensive than what you can get at the grocery store for some brands of coffee, but this is a specialty coffee.
Yeah.
And of course, you got the whole Disney theme, so there's
And I
always
love
that.
how they do that.
Yeah. These bags are cool enough to keep. If you purchase and you want to keep the bag, you could technically keep the bag, or at least maybe cut parts of the bag out and, I don't know, make a...
A shadow box?
Sure, maybe, perhaps. I don't
mean,
know.
if you're
It's
into
kinda
that
cool.
kind of stuff.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Arts and crafts. See? Just like that.
Arts and crafts
There's another
with your
idea
leftover
for you.
coffee bags.
Yeah, sure. We tell you where to get your coffee and what to do with the bag afterwards. We're just full
We're
of
now a
information.
crafting channel.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we're full of information at least. Full of something. Anyway,
All right, so
well,
that's our video for today.
that's it.
That's what you get.
That's it. I'm going to go make some coffee now, I think. I need a pick-me-up.
I know.
Although it
I'm
seems
really
like
excited.
It seems like I'm full of energy right now. I don't know. I'm just thinking to myself, do I really need coffee? I'm a little, pretty hyped up.
You are.
I'm excited for the coffee.
Good. I'm glad.
Okay.
$60 worth of coffee. You better be excited
Better
about.
be good.
So anyway, don't
right.
forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action because we're providing stellar content.
Oh, what was that? We're providing?
We're providing
we are.
stellar content.
Yes.
We're now doing our San Diego vlogs.
Yes.
And the Disneyland ones are coming up.
Yes.
Hit the button.
Do it.
Like our videos.
Smash it. Just smash it.
Smash it hard. Subscribe if you're not already.
Please.
We're fun. And you know what? If after a while you don't like us, you can unsubscribe. I mean, we hope you won't, but...
I think we're kind of grasping a little bit. I think we're a little desperate.
Hey, you know what?
Do we sound
need
desperate?
24 more subs to reach our next goal.
Yeah.
And if we do, there's
Yeah.
going to be a surprise for everyone.
Perhaps.
We're going to do a giveaway, but not until we reach that milestone. So we need your help. Help us get there.
Spread the word.
Spread the word.
Okay.
Yeah, do it. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
All right. Bye.
Bye.